Ever wondered how people are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month just by pinning images? Keep watching, and I'll reveal the little-known secrets to turning your Pinterest addiction into a profitable side hustle. You won't believe how easy it is to get started. Setting up a business account on Pinterest is crucial if you want to maximize your potential earnings and grow your brand. One of the key differences between a business account and a personal account is access to Pinterest analytics. With a business account, you can track your performance, see which pins are driving the most engagement, and understand your audience's preferences. This data is invaluable for optimizing your content strategy and ensuring you're creating what your audience loves. Another advantage is the ability to use promoted pins. Business accounts can create ads that reach more viewers beyond your followers, allowing you to boost visibility and drive traffic to your website or online store. Promoted pins blend seamlessly into users' feeds, making them a subtle but powerful marketing tool. In addition, having a business account allows you to enable rich pins, which provide more context about a pin because they show additional information directly on the pin itself. Rich pins come in several types, including app, product, recipe, and article pins, and can significantly increase engagement by offering users more value upfront. It's also worth mentioning that a business account gives you a more professional appearance. You can claim your website, which not only adds a sleek, verified stamp on your profile, but also allows you to link your pins directly to your site. This builds trust with your audience and helps establish your authority within your niche. Are you excited to see how transforming your Pinterest account can revolutionize your side hustle? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action, this course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of a successful Pinterest strategy. Start by identifying your passions and interests. Think about what you naturally enjoy doing or talking about. This will keep you motivated and authentic. Then consider your expertise. What do people often ask you for help with? This can be a great indicator of a valuable niche. Finally, research popular trends on Pinterest. Use the platform's search bar to see what's currently gaining traction. By combining your passion, expertise, and trending topics, you'll find a niche that's both enjoyable and lucrative. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create a compelling profile. Your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Start with a high-quality profile picture that represents your brand. Consistency is key. Use the same image across all social media platforms to build recognition. Next, craft a catchy and informative display name. Include keywords related to your niche to make it easier for people to find you. For example, if you're all about vegan recipes, a name like Vegan Chef is both clear and searchable. Now, let's dive into optimizing your bio with relevant keywords. Your bio should tell a story about who you are and what you offer. Use descriptive words to paint a picture. Are you a passionate vegan chef sharing easy and delicious recipes? Make sure to weave in keywords that people might use to search for content in your niche. This not only helps with discoverability, but also assures visitors that they've come to the right place. Have you ever thought about how transforming these elements could accelerate your Pinterest growth? One of the most straightforward ways to start monetizing your Pinterest account is through affiliate marketing. Picture this: you share pins featuring products you genuinely love, be it skincare, fashion, or tech gadgets. Every time someone clicks on your pin and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Now, the key here is authenticity. Only promote products you believe in to build trust with your audience. You can join affiliate programs directly through websites of brands you adore or use affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ShareAsale. Imagine turning your daily pinning into a treasure trove of passive income. Another effective strategy is creating and selling digital products. If you're skilled in graphic design, writing, or even recipe creation, you can turn that expertise into printable planners, ebooks, or even unique stock photos. These digital products can be sold on platforms like Etsy or directly through your website. Once created, these products can be marketed through your Pinterest pins, driving consistent traffic and sales. It's a fantastic way to leverage your creativity into recurring revenue without worrying about physical inventory. Finally, don't underestimate the power of driving traffic to your blog or e-commerce store. Each pin can serve as a gateway, funneling interested viewers to your site. Once there, you have the opportunity to convert that traffic into paying customers through compelling content, enticing offers, and seamless user experiences. By consistently creating high-quality pins linked to valuable content, you can grow your audience and increase your revenue streams exponentially. Which of these methods are you most excited to try first? Leave a comment below and let's discuss.